Hello friends, welcome to my channel here at Techies. This is our React.Js tutorial part 4. In this video, we are going to talk about useState hook. First, let me tell you what is useState hook. The useState hook is a function. It is used for store and change the data inside the component. So whenever the data gets changed, it is automatically reflected in our UI. Okay. And this is the syntax. The useState hook contains variable and functions. So this variable is an user-defined name only. It can hold the data, and by using this function, we can change the variable value. Okay. So now we can see one example for understanding this useState hook in the better manner. And this is my application. So we can take these products. So what I'm going to do whenever clicking this buy now, we can add this product in the cart. Okay. Like we can add the counts only. So the first thing is I'm going to declare one useState hook. So we can provide our variable name is count and the function name is setCount. Okay. Then we need to use this hook useState. It should be imported in the top. Okay. It's already imported. Then we can provide the initial value 0. Okay. So next we can display this value in our UI side. After this title, I am adding one h2 tag. Added to cart. Now if you look at the UI, 0 products added to the cart. So now if I'm trying to click this buy now, so we got the alert, product added to the cart. It is not reflected here because we not called the function. Let me take this function. For handling the button click, we have this add product function. Okay, so we are showing this alert. So after that, you can set the value. Already we have this count plus 1. So now if I'm clicking, see the count, 3, 2. When clicking the multiple times also, the count is increasing. So you may have a question like the same thing we can achieve using the normal variable also, right? So the answer is no. If you are using the normal variable, the value will be changed, but it will not reflected in our UI. Okay. For showing this one, let me take this title. This is the normal variable only. So if you look at the UI, the initial time it is renders. So now I am trying to change this value. So what I'm going to do, let me have one small text box here. In the onChange event, we can have a callback function here and a function update title. Here we can pass the text box value. Okay. So let me define the function as well. Your value, we can assign this into our title. Okay. And let me have one console also. Fine. Let me try now. Okay, we have a big text box. So let me add the style also. Width we can have 200 pixel. Similarly, height 50 pixel. Look at the UI. Okay, maybe 35 also fine. Okay. So now if I'm trying to change the value, React tutorial. So it is not reflected here. At the same time, if I look at the console, okay, console there is the error. Assignment to the constant variable showing the error. Okay. So the variable instead of the constant change like this. Can clear this one and I just refreshed. So now if I'm trying to enter the value, React tutorial. See, we are able to see this value React tutorial, but it is not reflected here because it is the normal variable. Okay, so that's what we are using the useState variable. So now for this title, instead of the normal variable, I am going to use the useState variable. So let me declare one more new variable, constant, and part of the syntax we have to use this array. Then our variable name, I can give title1. Okay, and the function is set title. Okay, so by default we can have this value, and before that need to use this hook, right? Okay, and we can bind this value. Okay, next in the function set title, we can use in this text box on change, right? Look at the UI. So by default we are able to see this welcome to React 19.2. So now if I'm trying to change like React, it is automatically reflecting. Okay, so whatever value I have entered in this text box, it is automatically re-renders in our UI. So this is the way our useState hook will work. I hope you got the better idea. Still, if you have any doubts or clarification, please post in the comment box. And also, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching.